Festival. The races are underway now. We're at race 38, out in the water now. Lane number 1, abreast in Richmond. Lane number 2, Angels abreast. And lane number 3, paddling for life.
And here they come. 3-boat race, women's silver semifinals. Paddling for life. On the right hand side, lane 3. 3-boat race. Girls were fired up for this one. It's going to be interesting to see if they can turn it into a performance here. Lane 1 to the left, lane 2 in the middle, and paddling for life on the outside to the right. Hey, they're moving out there. Let's see if we can get in a little closer on our crew. Just got them wired up. Lane 2.
Paddling abreast in lane 3.
1.
And Angels, paddling for life in lane 3 and Angels abreast in lane 2.
Lane 3 right there. There's the crew.
Lane 1 is abreast in Richmond.
We got a race. We have a race here. Back it off. There's a finish buoy right in front of me there. This is close. Finish it, girls. All the way. All the way.
No, she doesn't. Go to Vancouver.
This is a bunch of logs, some driftwood and stuff in the middle that they're worried about.
This is a race. There's the finish line. Wow. This is good.
Angels abreast just crossed the finish line in lane 2, followed by paddling for life in lane 3. We've got abreast in Richmond crossing the line.
Nice. I think we got a second there.